Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's up? I hope you're well, and thank you very much for your likes and your comments on the previous video. And for those who just came across, my name is Elle and I'm running a website and this channel called Eleftheria Business PR, and I help business owners and entrepreneurs to create and increase the business, but also grow a sustainable income. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and upload videos every Thursday. Now, on this video today, I have a couple of tips and a plan on Pinterest ads for 2021. Now, this is obviously what you see here is not an ad. I cannot promote this. This is organically, so I'm going to run a couple of examples as we speak, but also I want to share a couple of tips for you, because remember I have Pinterest promoted pins course, but inside the course you get two courses in one. So you have the organic strategies that nobody's talking about, and also you have paid strategies and how to make sure your ads performing and how to get a lot of conversions. Remember that we have different types of pins, and we have like promoted pins, like promoted campaigns inside Pinterest, for example, that are giving us more clicks, drive traffic, and also we have campaigns for conversions. And you have to make sure, guys, you're doing the correct campaign rather than just have everything and just press the button and you know what I mean, like go for it. Because remember, we have the one tap campaign. So inside my course I explain how to start and what is the best for someone who has a small business and wants to grow a sustainable income, but also for big brands and agencies that they want to grow their appearances and the brand inside Pinterest. Remember that you need to make sure that your ads running correctly, or your account also running correctly, or you're performing ads, your ads are performing basically, and what to do and how to change them. Inside my course I share all of those, and also I share organic strategies on how to get a lot of pins organically, and I shared all the tips inside my course on how to combine and get better results, because you need to focus in on conversions. I say that a lot of the times people don't get it, that you basically need to get many conversions. So that is your main that should be your main focus. So you should be, for example, having pins that say I have 700 views, 600 views. Views is just a close-up, guys. You need to get conversions. You need to make the sales. You need to make sure that you turn your cold traffic, your cold audience, to paid customers. So you also need to remember that we have different types of let's say like traffic sources, because remember that if you want to increase your views, so make sure you increase your clicks and bits and impressions. Impressions are very important. You need to make sure that also we have different categories for how to find pins. So we have the related pins, we have search pins, and we have browse pins. Remember, that is also something that you need to actually remember when you're doing your pin research, or when you do your keywording and interest and everything else. So this is something for you to remember. What I suggest is it's good if you have a plan and if you have a strategy, create boards that they are relevant to what you do, and then do the rest of the work. So here I have a couple of campaigns, but all of those, this is conversion campaign, this is another conversion campaign, and this is traffic, cold campaign, etc. This is just an examples of the campaigns that I have. Now, this is organic, and you can see that this is actually is doing very well, and is actually getting a lot of attention. This is all organic. There is a lot of organic pins that are doing actually very well, and this is what you need to work on. There is a connection between organic and obviously the paid ones. So you need to make sure that you have a plan. I say that you need a strategy. You cannot just, throw spaghetti in the wall and you think it's gonna stick, or you think it's gonna stay there, whatever. You need to have a strategy. A couple of tips to remember about keywords and the latest Pinterest results is like, remember that 97% of search terms are not branded. I repeat, 97% of keywords search terms are not branded. So this is something for you to remember. 73% of the search inquiries, searching the site Pinterest, is related to 1 to 3 keywords. So again, 73% of search inquiries is related to 1 to 3 keywords. So this is a couple of research that I have done for you to know. So this is the other thing. And last is generally, maybe you need to know when you are searching or when you are planning to do a campaign, and what you need to do is to make sure that you asking a relevant keywording. With example, inside my free course I have, because generally Pinterest users, they're having a more of direct based search terms like Halloween decor ideas or Christmas ideas. Inside my course, I have, beside the free course, I have a lot of those strategies that will give you an extra boost. So if you have a sign, the link is below, so you can have a little, take the free course, have a little chat with me on the social media if you need some help. This is also another organic, which is recently, guys. This is recently. It was yesterday. So this is related pins and, related to Pinterest. So remember that we have different categories. So the other thing is, before I give you more tips on advertising, let's have a look here at the videos. Guys, this is all videos. This one, and this one as well. Let's take this one, for example. All those videos, they're very, very popular. And they also are very, very helping you to increase your views and helping you to boost up your profile. I'm trying to show you closely. So I also sell them on a separate occasion. You can use them over and over and over again. You can have a look through and the website that are very affordable. For you, so you wouldn't struggle. The video pins are very popular. A lot of bloggers and a lot of business owners don't use them. Remember that you can use a separate video when you do your Etsy shop, but you can add it to the pin. Inside my course, I serve tips and etc. So video pins are very, very popular again, so you need to remember that a lot of people that don't use them, and it's going to give you an extra boost to your profile and will give you conversions and clicks, because you really need to remember but the conversions is important. So views doesn't matter. Remember again, you get followers, but you need to have the right followers. So you need to learn how to customize this. So that's why it's the same with Pinterest ads. Customization is important in relation if you want to have more sales on Pinterest. That's why a lot of people, they don't have sales, so they don't make money on Pinterest, because they're focusing on views. So views is not important. You need to focus more on conversions and close the sales. So you need to make sure you are actually turning your cold traffic into paid customers. Now, a couple of more tips on different types of targeting, because inside the course I explain when it comes to, it's not only for your paid traffic, it's also for your organic traffic, that we have different type of targeting that we use in our campaigns. So, like for example, based on the keywords, based on interest, based on a customer list, and the visitors targeting, those who are engaged with our pins, and all of those. So I have a whole of a different module for that inside the course for you to actually understand and make the right step. So a couple of other tips, guys, if you really wanted to, let's say you're making 3,000, or you make 10,000, or you make whatever you make. For my point of view is you should make sure you make 10K a month for your business. So you need to actually have a plan, not just say, oh, I'm gonna just do a one type of campaign and I just want to see what will happen in this. No, have a plan, have a strategy, because you need to be more strategic rather than again, just don't throw spaghetti in the wall and then wait until it's not going to work or pray it's going to work. No, you need to do the work. So have a plan. Have your content ready. Your content ready. And then take, one step at a time. Plan your boards, plan your pins, and then see what is working for you and what is not working. I say that over and over again. You can leave your comments below and or connect with me on the social media. Let me know if you need any help. Find me on Twitter, find me on Instagram. Anything I can help you with, I'm here to support you. And this is it for today, guys. This is a Pinterest ads small video tutorial. And again, be strategic, make 10K. That's it. That's the plan. So you need to have a plan. And thank you very much for today. I wish you well.